What's up guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to be talking about story highlights and showing you how to set them up, how to make them look professional, and how to give them a purpose. So let's dive into my screen where I'm going to show you guys how to set them up, and I want you guys to be thinking of what you're going to do on your Instagram profiles and giving them a purpose or giving them a reason of why they're there. So I'm going to show you guys right here. So let's dive into my screen and let's do a quick screen sharing. So right here, we're on my Sports Original account, and let's go over to my personal account, the Trevin Peterson account. And as you guys can see, my story highlights down at the bottom. So FBA Life, Free Course, YouTube, Travel Life, and Me. So each one of those has a purpose. So the Me story highlight, I want my audience to get to know me. So I'm going to have one that talks about me. Travel Life, people like to see where I'm traveling. So I'm going to have a story highlight about my traveling. YouTube, I want people to learn from my YouTube channel. I want people to subscribe. I want to grow my YouTube. So I'm going to have a story highlight about that. And the same thing with my Free Course and FBA Life. So think, what is your Instagram account about? What are you trying to accomplish? And what are you trying to get your audience to do? So what is the end result? Is there affiliate links? Is there a cool video that you posted on YouTube that you want people to see? What are you trying to accomplish with your Instagram account? So have that in mind throughout this video. So now let's go back to my Sports Original account where I'm going to actually add story highlights. So right here, there's a plus button where I'm going to add new. And what this does is it's going to basically pull all of your story highlights from, not story highlights, all of your stories that you have posted, whether it was a year ago, 6 months ago, or 3 days ago. So you are basically going to go through and find what stories you're going to want to put on your story highlights so that everyone can see them at any moment. So for my Sports Original account, since it's sports related, I'm going to do something that talks about each individual sport. So soccer, basketball, and football. So I'm going to create a basketball story highlight. So I'm going to go through and click the ones that are all related to basketball. So just like that, I have a few that are related to basketball. Then I'm going to give it a name, and then I'm going to hit edit cover. And to edit cover, this is where you basically want to come up with a theme of what you're going to have across your whole profile. And for me, since it's different sports, as you can see, I have a basketball, I have a football, and I have a soccer ball. So I'm going to have it a basketball for this one on the court. So I'm going to hit done, and then I hit add. And just like that, I have my NBA story highlight that has a good professional looking picture that describes exactly what that story is going to be about. It's going to be about NBA basketball. So now let's add another one, and let's add soccer. So right here I have a picture about soccer. I hit next, and then I'm going to give it a name, soccer, and I'm going to hit edit cover, go to my images, and then I'm going to add a soccer ball. Or maybe this one, I like this one better. So I'm going to hit done. And just like that, I have another story that's all about soccer. So I'm going to do that with football as well. So you guys kind of get the point of what I'm doing. And so that's what I want you guys to do, is give your Instagram a purpose, each story highlight a purpose, and what are you trying to accomplish. And then once you decide that, you need to go in and find professional pictures like I did with the soccer ball on the field, and then the basketball on the court, and then the football on the field as well. So that's what my story highlight is going to be, so that it stays consistent and it looks professional. So that's what I want you guys to do with your account, and it's super effective because when people come and look at your Instagram profile, again, it looks professional, and people start clicking on the stories, and if there's a call to action on them, then they're more likely to swipe up, or they're more likely to click your affiliate links, or whatever you guys are trying to accomplish with your story highlights. So please take your time, think about it, make it look professional, and give it a purpose. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one.